Oh, you are so big. Oh! What do you see up there? What do you see? Look at you walking. Oh, you are fast. Where are you gonna go? Yeah? You want some milk? Should we get some out of the fridge? Is the milk in here? Is the milk in the fridge? Yeah? Okay, we'll get it. Should we get it right now? Right now? Ellie, can you say up? No? No? Can you say go? Can you say me? Can you say rain? Rain, rain. Can you say sky? Sky. Can you say up? Can you say down? Can you say turtle? Say turtle. And now milk. Okay, I'll get your milk.